do the final call for the train first. If you're interested in the train ride, you're running out of time. You need to go directly to the gift shop. Once again, we'd like to give a stop by Campbell Brothers and Campbell Allen visiting the California Railroad. Have a great afternoon. Drive safely. All aboard. All aboard. We've got a final call for the train. Wait to catch the train, go directly to the gift shop. All aboard. Super the bell. And the whistle. We're too cheap to have a whistle. If I had a whistle, that's where I blow it. Okay. So, you know how to whistle?
Yeah, like the Maticut.
Yeah, on three. You got to do it on three. Ready?
Uh-oh,
1, 2. All right, you'll get used to that. Okay. Yours, sir. All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, we're out of here. Oh, eat and drink whatever you like. Smoke whatever you like down there. Welcome to California, but not on the train. All aboard?
Yay.
All aboard?
Oh. We're gonna go backwards.
There goes the driving house is right there. Jump out. Baby, you're on the train.
Jakey said, I like this train.
Look, there's another rail.
Yeah, we're gonna go backwards in a minute. Whoa.
Hey, was that fun or what? You want
Wrong way. You gotta turn around.
Yeah. We gotta get on the right track. Sorry about that. There we go. Now we're on the right track because that's the left. Yeah, we gotta stay on the right track. Otherwise, it'd be a 3-hour tour.
We're gonna go backwards.
There goes the driving house is right there. Jump out.
Jakey, you're on the train.
Woo! I Look, there's another rail.
Yeah, we're gonna go backwards in a minute. Whoa. It's scary.
Wrong way.
Hey, was that fun or what? You want to do it again? Yeah, we'll do it again. We gotta get on the right track. Sorry about that. There we go. Now we're on the right track because that's the left. Yeah, we gotta stay on the right track. Otherwise, it'd be a 3-hour tour. wanted to warn you guys, there is a slight possibility we could get stuck going through the smokestack tree. See, for some reason at night, I don't know why, but at night, smokestack tree kind of swells up. Last train ride, I almost got stuck. I've been stuck before. I get stuck at stop like that. So hold on, you guys. Here we go. Oh man, dang, not that close. No. It is pretty close, but it ain't that close. The real reason why I stopped here, last year at the end of the year, we get real slow at the end of the year. I do one train ride a day. We're talking slow. Oh my God! Butterflies, my God, I can't stand butterflies. The way they flutter. I hate butterflies. I'll do it right, the family group. It's one of the unique characteristics of the redwood. How cool is that?
Upside down.
I'll do it right, the family group. It's one of the unique characteristics of the redwood, the family group. It's how redwood trees actually grow. See, there was one big giant tree inside there. She died in a fire about 100 years ago. When it died in the fire, the roots, since it was in danger, sent up all these little sprouts. Little sprouts turned into redwood trees. Now, redwood trees do have a seed, of course. You guys know how big the redwood tree seed is? Redwood seed is like, kind of, more like, well, it's about that big. And there's about 30 or 40 seeds in a redwood cone. But redwood trees don't grow from a seed. Unless you have one very special thing. Anybody know what it is?
Fire?
Fire, yeah. It takes heat of a forest fire to pop open the seeds, and they're fertile, yeah. So this is the way they normally grow, from the root system, or cut them down, they'll grow a new one. So again, this was a huge tree. Give you an idea how big it was. If you would have cut that tree down in the 1950s, you would have built yourself 6 large or a dozen small homes. That was a huge tree, 275 foot tall and that big around. That's a huge tree. Not the tallest. The California redwood is the tallest living thing on Earth. Well, that was awkward. And I don't mean National Geographic. I mean the fact nobody yelled through the tunnel. We're going to try that again. That's right, you go through a train tunnel, you got to yell, scream, whistle,
You have to
holler.
scream, baby. What way? Just one way left.
Well, that was awkward. And I don't mean National Geographic. I mean the fact nobody yelled through the tunnel. We're going to try that again. That's right, you go through a train tunnel, you got to yell, scream, whistle, or holler. You don't make no noise? I don't go through that tunnel. I got nothing better to do. I'm stuck until 7 o'clock. I got 5 kids at home. They got friends over. I'm in no hurry. Now, to be sure we get some noise, because every once in a while there's a stubborn one on here. If that person next to you, or that loving person in front of you, ain't making no noise to the tunnel, bop them upside the head. Now, the boss said with love. Lots and lots of love. And boy, my daddy, he used to love me.
Ready to scream, baby?
Yeah, quite a bit. Okay, come on, you guys. Here we go. Here. Much money for redwood. You go to buy redwood.
No.
Redwood will literally last
I'm not
forever if you take care of it well.
Good
Right?
point.
So that's why you pay so much for it. That's why it was foolish for them to cut down all these trees in
There's a spider
1993.
crawling on the school.
Yeah, they were getting about $45,000 a tree in '93. Those same trees we're exporting overseas at closer to $120,000 a tree today. How smart was it? Cut them all down. the octomom tree? Or she got a new job? I'm in the octopus tree. We used to call this the octopus tree. I've been hold hands with each other. They literally hold themselves in the ground. Without the support of all the trees, a single river tree can't stand up. You know what's weird though? When a 1,000,000-pound tree does fall, you don't hear it at all. You're too busy running. You don't know which way it's going. You do feel it. It's an earthquake when it lands. All the plants and trees you see up here, the fern, the huckleberry, redwood, tan oak, madrone, they're all fake. I mean, they're all evergreen. That means it looks this way every day. It never changes. Ever. Never. Never. Never.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Like the train? Well, if today actually had been a Saturday, the boss would be standing right there shooting at you. Well, thank you very much. I sincerely hope you enjoyed the ride. Now, if anybody'd like to ring the bell, that's the best part of riding the train is ringing the bell. You're never too old to ring the bell. The bell is right here. If you do it hard, it doesn't work. But if you do it lightly, it does. Come on, you know you want to ring the bell.
Daddy, put the camera down so I can take
And
it.
help yourself to lousy help yourself to the postcard, you guys.
Wait for mom. Oh, look at Sissy.
There it is. All right.
I'll take you.
You out here? Congratulations. Awesome. Thank you for the ride. Do that. Take some postcards, you guys. Drop off somewhere.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Ring the bell, baby.
Ring the bell. Oh, pull on that
Take
string.
care of you guys. Good to see you. Very good. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Easy.
Gentle. Oh,
Yeah. Oh. Very good. Look at you. Very cool. You want to try the whistle?
Uh-oh.
Whistle? Okay. Now this is the whistle right here. Now, Sissy, you may have to help him. Okay, you're gonna have to.
Come, baby. Gentle. Oh, it won't. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Very good. Look at you. Very cool. Yay!
Mommy, watch the bell.
Oh,
You
yeah.
are very good at that
Let's go
bell.
do something. I think the bell is gonna be loud.
You want to try the whistle?
Yeah.
Want to do the whistle? Okay. Now this is a whistle right here. Now, Sissy, you may have to help him. Okay, you're gonna have to pull it real hard. Okay. You gotta pull real hard. It won't break, but you gotta pull it real hard. And it won't be too loud because we're almost out of air. You gotta pull real hard. Pull it really hard. Yeah, very good. You might as well use it up. Pull ball. Yay!
My turn.
Sounds fun.
Might as well use it up.
Okay.